Welcome to Advanced Vim. I'm Görkem Yalçınoz. I have many years of experience in programming and I'm currently studying software engineering at McGill University. I designed a lot of software with UML and I also programmed in Swift, Java, PHP, and C. I've been managing some project teams for 3 years. Also, my specialty is in modeling and requirement specification of a software. The course overview. We are going to learn Vim text editor. And as you know, Vim has a steep learning curve. We have 7 sections. We will start from the easiest part and we will learn common file operations, then working with multiple files. Later on, we are going to learn modifications with regex and macros. In the next section, we are going to talk about integrating Vim into other processes. Next section, we are going to talk about Vim support for external programs. We also need to learn how the Vim help system works. In this course, I think there are no prerequisites. However, you need to have a general knowledge in terminal and macOS or Linux systems. Course goal. Here, you learn Vim's vision and why do we use it. Also, you learn basic movements and basic tasks. Later, you learn all of the intermediate and advanced commands to manipulate and record text for future use. You need to be familiar about provided functionalities. At the end of the course, you will also learn plugins and how to use it with other software. Let's get started.